A Washington transfer on death deed is a legal document that allows the owner of real property to designate a beneficiary for when they die. Unlike other types of deeds, it becomes effective only when the owner dies. In this video, we'll cover how a transfer on death deed works, legal requirements, and how to revoke it if necessary. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms, and we're here to simplify everyday legal processes so that you can take matters into your own hands. To create your own transfer on death deed, click the link at the end of this video. Let's start with the basics. What is a transfer on death deed and how does it work? Typically, when a person passes away, their properties and assets go through the probate court before they can be dispersed to the rightful heirs. It can be a very long and complicated process. A transfer on death deed is a type of deed that allows a person to bypass probate and directly transfer the ownership of their real property to a designated beneficiary when they die. So what are the legal requirements for a transfer on death deed in Washington? It must be recorded before the transferor's death in the public records in the office of the auditor of the county where the property is located. The deed must be acknowledged by a notary public. A legal description of the property must be included in the form. This can be found on the property deed or in the public land records via the circuit court clerk's office. Finally, can a transfer on death deed be revoked or changed after it's already been recorded? The answer is yes. A transfer on death deed can be revoked at any time during the transferor's lifetime. To do so, one of the following documents can be used. A transfer on death deed that revokes the deed or part of the deed expressly or by inconsistency. An instrument of revocation that expressly revokes the deed or part of the deed. An inter vivos deed that expressly revokes the transfer on death deed or part of the deed. For the revocation to be effective, it must be acknowledged and recorded by the transferor before their death in the public records via the county auditor's office of the county where the property is located. Ready to create your own transfer on death deed? Click the link below to get started using our easy-to-use fillable form. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos that simplify complicated legal matters.